Here's how a sound drives people crazy. For decades, 2% of people in Taos, New Mexico, have been hearing a mysterious low frequency humming sound that no one can explain. It's loud enough to drive people insane, cause insomnia, and force families to move away. Scientists have used sensitive equipment but can't detect the source. The government investigated and found nothing. Some hear it, most don't. What's causing a sound that can ruin lives but doesn't technically exist? Here's how a sound drives people crazy.